Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's see how to clean, peel, store turmeric and ginger. Very healthy, nutritious, and good for health. So here I have soaked ginger and turmeric in water for about 30 minutes. And the reason I did is turmeric and ginger are grown under the ground, so it carries a lot of dirt. So it helps to clean the dirt, and the skin also gets peeling. It becomes easier. So rinse it with water 2 to 3 times so that it's clean uh, before peeling. So I'm taking it out from the water, and I'm going to use spoon for peeling off the skin. You can also use the vegetable peeler or the knife, but with the spoon, the skin removed is very thin as compared to the knife. So you're not wasting this very precious turmeric and ginger, which has a lot of medicinal values. So I try to use this spoon. So peel off the skin, it's nice and neat, and same way you can peel off the skin of the ginger, and you can see how thin the skin removed is. And when you're peeling off the ginger, especially with the spoon, you can reach the corners very easily. See, here I can reach the corner of this ginger with the spoon very easily. So that's the advantage. So once you're done peeling off the skin, you can store it in different ways. You can use the skin for the compost. It can be a very good fertilizer. So if you want to dry it before using for anything where you don't need any moisture or water, you can dry it on a paper towel so that there is no moisture water before using it. If you're making pickles, you can dry it using a paper towel. You can also grate it, and if you're grating it, freeze them for about 1 hour before grating. Grating becomes easier because they are very firm and you can grate them very easily. So this is one of the tip. You can grate it together, depend on how you want to use it. If you want to use the turmeric and ginger together or separately, you can grate it. So other way you can store this is making a paste, and you can, as I said, you can make the paste separately or together. So roughly chop into pieces ginger and turmeric. Ginger is a little bit difficult to chop, but turmeric is soft and very easy. So roughly chop into pieces, and we are going to blend it. So after adding to the blender, just pulse it before adding any liquid. And if you doing it in a larger quantity, then use lemon juice, because lemon juice is easy to store. Rather than water, it will get spoiled easily. So use lemon juice. Now this can be put in the ice cube tray and freeze it. So you can use teaspoon, tablespoon measurement as per of how much you're using. And these cubes you can store it in an airtight container or in a Ziploc bag and just take out 1, 2 blocks, whatever you want. So this medicinal herbs, turmeric and ginger, can be stored in different ways. You can also store it as a paste. Just put it in the deep freezer in small containers and take it out as you want. So try this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and please subscribe Narisaki for more informational videos. Thank you.